nominee, do you hold any leadership position in any political party?
No.
Have you ever been adversely mentioned in any integrity-related reports?
No.
On investigations? Do you hold citizenship of any other country?
No.
What is your worth?
694 million.
Made of?
Made of I have 2 homes, one in Nairobi and one in Tharaka Nithi. Then I have landed buildings, about 235 million. My 2 homes are worth 190 million. And then I also have savings in SACCOs and banks. I also do legal practice, so I have a bit of revenue that I've generated through my law firm, and that is it. And I forgot, Mr. Speaker, when I was filling in, I forgot to add, I have vehicles of about 17 million, which are not part of that report. I apologize. I remembered after I had submitted the questionnaire.
Honorable members, we received a memoranda from one Eliud Karanja Matindi, Isaac Alwacher, Joseph Mwathi Nyanjui, Khalid Ibrahim, Aisha Adan, Sonia Mushila, Masi Murugi Kuria, Ahmed Sigat, Okio Mtato Koit, David Malombe, and Collins Onyango. We forwarded them to the nominee, and the nominee responded to all of them in writing. We have them on record. Professor, we allocated 2 hours. We've done with you 2 hours and 10 minutes. We want to inform you that this brings to an end our interaction with you. The clerk has checked all your documents against what you submitted, have been found to be correct and in order.